guys, this is Val and welcome back to Val's Kitchen. On today's menu, we are gonna do cornmeal pudding. What do you think about that? Jamaican style. Well, you know, it's a cornmeal pudding, so you know the thing I got up. So come let me show you how I'm gonna do the cornmeal pudding. So guys, here are all the ingredients for the cornmeal pudding. First, I have my cornmeal. Refined cornmeal. The finer the cornmeal, you know, so the smoother the pudding. You know, but you can use any cornmeal of your choice. But if you're gonna use the coarse meal, maybe you have to cook it first. You know, because that will take a time to bake. You know, in the oven. So if anything, you just cook it like your porridge. You just spice up your ingredients and everything, and put it on and make it cook a little like you're doing your porridge. Alright? But it's a refined meal, you don't have to do that. We have some flour. Oh, this is 4 cups of cornmeal and this is 2 cups of flour. Alright, the flour have to be less than the cornmeal at all times. Alright, 2 cups of sugar. Some raisins that I have from Christmas was soaking. So I said, alright, I'm gonna use some. We just get a little more flavor of the pudding. You know, you want your thing turn up, as we say, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna melt a little butter. We have coconut. Right, wash the coconut, ox it, wash it. I'm gonna blend it and get some milk from it. All right, I have nutmeg, cinnamon, and allspice. I have half teaspoon of salt. I have a little ginger, you know, because you want your thing, all the spices them where you know what you can put in a certain thing to just put it in, like your ginger, your salt. You know, you don't have to use ginger still in a but. There is a but something about the ginger in your pudding. You know them way there? Yes. So let me go over back again. I have nutmeg, I have allspice, I have cinnamon, I have salt and some ginger. 3 teaspoons of vanilla, and this is less than a teaspoon of rose water. Yes, and I have some gold rum. This is optional though. This is optional, but you know you don't want the thing too flat. You want to turn it up a little notch. So that is that. Right? So come, I'm gonna show you all how I'm gonna put my cornmeal pudding together. Alright? Come guys. So what I'm gonna be doing now is blend the coconut. Alright? Yes. Ginger, I have to go with the wet ingredients. Alright, so let me just get all the dry together. Alright, all of my nutmeg come out. We have the salt in here, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice. So that is that. Let's combine everything right here together. Mix well. Alright. See? So guys, so the next step is I'm gonna put all the wet ingredients together. All right, we want a rich, nice coconut milk. I don't want the milk to water. Right? And I'm gonna use my hand. Make sure so I get out everything. So here's our coconut milk. Get the right amount of milk. Okay. So I'm gonna put the sugar. So I'm done with the mixture. All the ingredients, everything to taste of the pudding and whatever. So I'm gonna put it with the dry ingredients now. Alright. And I put in all the liquid at once. You cannot throw all the liquid at once. Here guys, you have to put the liquid in a little at a time. And guys, I have some of the coconut trash that I'm gonna be adding. Right, this amount. So let me just put that. Want a moist pudding. I don't want none too hard. Yeah. Guys, again, when anything you're doing, just taste as you go along. You cannot go wrong. Right? And you say, yes, this is how I want it to taste. Sometimes I have ingredients I'm using. Of the like use teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of this, 1 teaspoon of that, and at the end of the day it's not what I want. So me want my something flavor, but just put some more. Yes. Alright, so I melt some butter. Alright. So put some more. And all right, this now, the trick in this now is if you just put it in the mixture like this, everything's gonna sink to the bottom. So I'm just gonna put a little flour over, just a little flour. I don't want it to sink, okay? Can't use the same spoon because it's going right in here. Everything is going in one. Okay, guys. So let me put some more. Don't want all of it to sink at the bottom. So now, when we cut the pudding, we need raisins all over. We don't want raisin at the bottom. Alright? When we cut the pudding, we must have a raisin here in every slice, and you know, you see a raisin. You see it? You see them don't fall, all of them don't fall to the bottom. Alright? See them? Yeah. So let me get the tin, and guys, taste. Don't cook blind, don't bake blind. Alright guys? Yes. So let me get the tins together and just come back and show the liquid, the mixture, and come back. Alright? I'm gonna put it in the oven for an hour first. 1 hour first, alright? And then we check in after an hour. Alright guys? Ooh. So guys, this is an hour. First time checking. If you have toothpick in there, you can use it. Alright? You know it's coming along. So what I'm gonna do is make up the topping, the thing, the wetty thing, what I call it, wetty. Alright, that is the custard. So I'm gonna put together some of the ingredients and do it and show you on camera. Alright? So I'm just rest back this side. A little butter, melted butter to make the topping, to make up your Ella top. I call it Ella top. Call it custard, call it wetty. You know, we Jamaican find the name then, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna smelt this and put it together and show you where it reach. Alright, guys. Alright, this is the leftover mixture that I had. All the ingredients in this, coconut milk, everything, this well nice. So what I did, I leave back some, but I'm not gonna use all of this. Alright, I'm just gonna use some. Take off most like the custard, you know, see the custard, the thing on the top. So I'm just skim off some. Right. Yeah. I want a nice like a wet top, you know guys. You know, want everything dry. And I'm gonna just put a little more sugar. Because the pudding, I didn't make the pudding that sweet itself. So now you know the topping, this supposed to be the sweet. So when you buy the pudding finished now, the pudding is finished, you know you get the perfect taste, sugar, perfect everything. Alright, so just make up this. Just mix all the sugar. You can base this about 2 times, you know. Alright, this is the first time. I make it stay about 10 minutes and then I come back and just base it again. Alright. Base it evenly, guys. Alright. Yeah. So let me put this in about for 10 minutes and then come back. Wow. That's nice. So guys, this is one of the 3 penny for, right? And we have 5.24 now, so this is exact 1.5 hour. Right, this is complete. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take it out and put it to cool. Yes guys, so this is it. The pudding is finished. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'll just leave it to make it cool. I'm gonna leave it and let it cool. Alright guys, so as soon as it cools, let's come and show it, give you a slice. Give you all a slice. Okay? Yes. Yes guys, so this is the final product. Alright? So I'm gonna cut it. just cut. See how moist it is. The right amount of moisture. It tastes coconut, it tastes vanilla, it tastes every little ingredients, you know? Yeah. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to give me a thumbs up, turn on the post notification bell, subscribe to the channel. Road to 3,000 ago. Road to 5K, guys. Alright, thanks again for watching and bye.